kwamba kutenda mundu akwewala wewe tata ni kote we fine kabisa. Karibu katika channel kinayo pata nacho kabisa ni cha Cambodia TV. Na mwaka modelu kwa yena cha thekene cha bangi to masako cha Kamba Festival kilageze age bangi to na mundu ko rikibi na mundu ko to Nicholas Kioko na ningebu mashambiki kulingana wendi wone metete mwini wenguma wambaze sia kumbukume na kumata yangai wala weseketa kwa esieto ingi Chris Ndonye mwanosu akona wadhi live ngite isi ale na ninge muthenyozu no akoni kendo kiade thena kabisa ome matulangeti na ningweza kwethe nuo tano wasiathi nondo siathi itakoneto ziendo sekaila muthembosu siketa kubo yu mwana usu kwethe after that event kwethe wana story mbingewe nondo mwana kutondumbula ninge no amini kwa sia Chris no atomia wathi wake oloi kinyandumbule ku perform yandu bate ata mukuletia mwanya sendu cia muthembosu esa kwethane mambia kwa attack yana one on one Chris we asonge londo asonge yendumbule ende yenge kuisha makombora wala mine kubanga mwana zona nde family yani we onainyo kila lelo abang akela na family yake esa kwethe kandugi kwanza yemwe kanenge kya mukwaza mundu kwetwa Chris Ndonye na ninge wiki modelu mae kimango wa Chris Ndonye kimanga yanga story na mundu kwetwa Jacqueline Kalenga ba ya Kamba FM unaamini kubingo kwa story kadhaa kuhusu stories ya mwana zuko ndumbule naweza kwethia ndumbule newe kata kindu kine kyangu bikyano ndu mwana zuno wakulete ndumbule sa kwethia no minda kwa apologies kenda mondo mokanesa na ningwe ndumbule there isiwe kesi ona no usio kutumia hekima kana kutumia wisdom kana kutumia ndaya nawe kwa muthenyano mundi amina kwa apologies yakola kwa mundu kwa Chris Ndonye amwene pole nundu akomwa kila lelo na family yake na ningi abikie kumweka sendu sa muthembosu ningi mwano atumia official yani first language ile wa taluka yake nyono zote dhana official language ile Kiswahili na Kisungu yu onana amwete apology na Kigamba at vernacular kana mother tongue atumia one of the official languages kwete apology na ningi abanga ethe to mufano kwa andu alangi methe to makosea nite kana wethe to kosero ne mundu kana mundu wethe to bete nite mundu yani usekwethe anoe kata no apologize ya banga wetu mikata example ningi ndambite kusemba muno kana ndambite kuyosa kathe no ibinde yakuyambe kutambela Cambodia TV ni okulo kwa tena ndio sa woza second yakwemwe wa subscribe mondo mako kanesa wakwata mobota no land ulondo mende kweketika na ningi nguti ana ka video ka mundu zo kwetwa ndumbule wambe kwethukesya apology yake kula kwe Chris Ndonye ondabene genuine unenga muoni mako katika comment section we subscribe na wosha kenda zako mondo moke tena sangalo kondezo ndina mbingi sionena nenda namba kumelombo like na tuweze anda katika next video kwendane kwake mwe. Adios.
My brother, I heard your plea from a Kamba radio interview with one Jacqueline Kalenga, aka Mudaisu, whereby you pleaded that I apologize for the utterances I made towards you some days back. Therefore, I, Michael Mutuku Ndumbule, gospel singer, I stand with this spirit of apology that if I'm a man, apologizing shall not make me to be a woman. Neither, if I am strong, apologizing shall not make me be weak. And therefore, from the deepest part of my heart, I withdraw those utterances I directed towards you, saying that, and I quote, Chris Ndonye, you cross road with your own kids. And I really apologize for any harm that the utterances might have caused to the victim. I urge my fellow gospel artists, or rather ministers, to emulate this example because I know we have wronged each other. Let us apologize so that we may move forward. Let us keep this spirit that if apologizing is the only way to move forward. So be it. Let us not hesitate to apologize to each other, because this one will bring sanity to our gospel. May God bless you. God bless you.